From my understanding, my computer is about to explode. My laptop's about to explode, but it's a little bit laggy. I really wanted to show that on a laptop, this still runs. It may not be as clear or as good, but I was just playing around with, again, the depth because I showed it to someone and they said that the camera or the depth looked off. So I'm just playing with that here. The camera's attributes. So I'm going to save, get rid of the camera attributes. It still looks good, but then the world environment is where it's at. Then, oof, that looks not as good. Boom. And then if I just bring them back, there's a slight difference between blur and no blur, but it would be more apparent when you're like moving around in game and you like see it. Anyways, that's about it.